So we get asked the question all the time about leadership development. Should we just have the senior leadership team together, or should we include people at other levels of the organization? Well, it's a very good question, and the answer to it really depends on where you're at in your organization. If you're an organization where the senior leadership team is very much aligned and focused on a common objective and all pulling in the same direction, then it's absolutely a perfect opportunity to integrate people at different levels of the organization in the training. Because the value that comes out when you start talking about leadership and what's important to the organization, when you can understand what impacts people at different levels of the organization, there's a real aha moments that come on. That senior person's going, wow, I didn't know that was happening at the front level. And that front level person's going, now that makes more sense why you made that decision. I can understand and buy into that better. Now, if on the other hand, your senior leadership team is either new, somewhat inexperienced, or maybe going through some kind of transition, or simply just isn't aligned on common objectives, then in those cases it might be better to have that senior team meet first, get their leadership development together, get on the same page, be focused on the direction of the organization, and then work it out through the rest of the organization. So it's the kind of thing that you want to have a talk about to understand what's best for your company or organization.